We've all been there, indulging in a heavy dinner only to regret it later. What you eat for dinner can impact your health and how you feel, both in the short and long term. Here are some foods that you should avoid in your dinner for a healthier and happier you. Fried foods. Fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings are high in calories, fat, and sodium. Not only do they contribute to weight gain and obesity, but they can also increase inflammation in the body, leading to various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Instead, opt for grilled or baked options that are lower in calories and fat. Grilling or baking your food not only makes it healthier, but it also adds flavor and variety to your dinner. Processed meats. Processed meats like hot dogs, sausages, and bacon are high in sodium and preservatives. They have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and other health problems. Consuming processed meats on a regular basis can also have a negative impact on your mental health, leading to symptoms of depression and anxiety. Instead, choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu that are lower in sodium and better for your overall health. Not only are these options better for your physical health, but they can also improve your mood and mental health. Heavy carbs. Heavy carbs like pasta, pizza, and bread can be high in calories and can cause a spike in blood sugar levels. This can lead to feelings of fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Instead, opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta that are higher in fiber and lower in calories. Whole grains not only provide sustained energy, but they can also improve digestion and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By avoiding these foods in your dinner, you can feel better and happier. Remember, what you eat matters, so make the right choices for your body and mind. Experiment with different healthy options and try new recipes to keep your dinner exciting and enjoyable. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. It can be a fun and delicious way to take care of yourself and your loved ones. Subscribe to the channel for more